our friends at Keto Vitals sent me this electrolytes plus collagen peptides. And what's great about this is that it's zero carbs, it's only 30 calories, and it has zero sugar because it's sweetened by stevia, which is my sweetener of choice because it's the less harmful of the artificial sweeteners. And why do I take collagen peptides? Because I am a patient, right, that is a candidate for a hip replacement, right? And when that happens and you are bone on bone, they give you collagen supplements. And I take collagen supplements of all kinds, and I have to take this collagen peptides all day. I put them either in pill variety or powder for my smoothies, and I also am doing the keto diet with intermittent fasting. And in the morning, instead of drinking coffee to break the fast, right, at the beginning, I get one of these, right? Now, this comes with 3 flavors, right? It's strawberry lemonade, blood orange, and wild berry. And they come in this really nice little packages, you see? It's really convenient. You take it with you. And you know what? As I've been doing my keto diet for all this time, right? Sometimes you feel a craving, and what it is, right? It's not that you want to eat. Basically, you're thirsty. And that's how I use this. When I feel that craving that I want to eat something, and I'm still in the 12 or 13 hour, because I do I do 14 hours and 8, right? 14 hours and 8? No, I do 14 and 10. So I do 14 hours with a 10-hour window, right? For eating. So then when my window is for eating is not open yet, I have these to hydrate myself, right? And it gives me a little energy, right? Because it's an energy booster. It just said it tastes good. And it's really easy. If you can see right here, it has a little cut. Let me see if you see a little cut. You cut it like that, it opens really easy, right? And then you open it like that. You take it and put it in your bottle of water, right? You mix all that stuff in there, all that nice stuff. Oh, it smells so good. This one is the blood orange. And then you mix it up, right? And you drink as much as you want, right? Because it has zero sugar. It has some calories because of the collagen. And you know, collagen is not only good for, in my case, for my joints, but it's also good for the skin, for the hair. It's really good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. You know, it's not overbearingly sweet. It's like I said, it's sweetened with stevia, which is my cheers. my sweetener of choice. This is delicious. They're all delicious. So I recommend these. You take these with you. You have one in the car, in the office. These packages come with 30 of them. This is more than enough. Like, so you can have one like every day of the month, and then, you know, this is really nice to have it in case of emergency. All you have to do is get a water bottle, pour it in there, mix it real nice, and then it gets rid of the cravings. Super recommended.